Hello, my name is Hannah Brown, and I did my final project on parent involvement, and I chose to do the creative project. So, first, I'm going to talk about some of my key findings of the research I've done. First, there's a ton of benefits that come from parent involvement. I just listed a few of many, but the main ones I chose were students generally achieve better grades, test scores, and they have better attendance. Parents are more likely to help their child at home because they know what their child is learning at school. Parent involvement results in improved communication and relationships between parents and teachers. And schools that actively have parent involvement, they experience better support from the community. So my research showed that students benefit from parent involvement, parents do, teachers, and the school as a whole benefit from parent involvement. But unfortunately, there are many barriers of parent involvement. These are the reasons why there is a lack of involvement or participation from parents. First, I listed that there are psychological fears. Some parents have doubts. They're not sure if they're going to be able to participate as well as they think they would. They're scared. They have fear and alienation. Other barriers include distance. Some of them live very far or work very far from the school. Some just don't have the time. Parents have very busy schedules and they don't have time to take off of work and just volunteer in the classroom, unfortunately. And some parents have a lack of education. So some of them didn't go to college. So they're afraid that they won't be able to help their child in whatever they're learning in school. Other barriers include language. Some don't speak English, so it would be hard for them to volunteer in the classroom. Culture and socioeconomics. And a big barrier that I found from my research is a lot of families are one parent families or divorced families. So that's very difficult for them, especially to take time off work and to volunteer in the classroom. So the creative project that I chose to do was a parent involvement website. I am a long-term kindergarten teacher. I have been for about the past 5 months. So I took over the classroom in late January. So this is aimed towards my specific class for my kindergarten class. This is just screenshots of my website. My website has a lot on it, so this is just very, very minimum of what my website contains. So this is my homepage, just a welcome page about what this website is about and the importance of what parent involvement. Um, as you can see right here, I have benefits listed, but just for parents who don't really know, just to give them a general idea. And this is the beginning of my language arts page. So in my website, I have a language arts page, a math page, science social studies, and then my last page is first grade preparation page. So for language arts, I started off with sight words. Sight words are very important in kindergarten, and I listed activities and resources for sight words. Another category in language arts are word families. This is very important in kindergarten, and I wish I could just scroll through everything. Like I said, this is just very minimum of what I have. But for each subcategory, I have resources, tips, activities. So feel free to check that out when I give you guys the link. This is part of my math page, counting and writing to 100. I explain the importance of it, some strategies, resources that they could click on the PDF and print it out themselves and do it at home. And I love my first grade preparation page. I called it Flying into First Grade because since this semester was towards the end of the school year and just finishing up this project is at the very end of the school year, I feel like this page is important so parents can have the summer vacation to know what their child is going to learn in first grade. I student taught for the first grade class at this school, so I know exactly what they're doing their first trimester. For example, they're going to do digraphs. They're going to learn about digraphs first semester. And I give tips, strategies, examples. They also learn about contractions and um, more like number bonds and number sentences in math and just writing more. And here are some tips for math. Math fluency, just make sure to keep up practicing addition, subtraction facts, create your own word problems, just little things they can do at home. And this concludes my presentation. I really hope you guys check out my website. There is a lot of cool stuff on it. And thank you for watching.